Hi guys, create a unique raised gardening bed is a reward project that love you will bring fresh vegetable, flower and herb right into your backyard even if you were depth with lost an idea, soft or limited restrict gardening bed have main benefit for soil salt, central and a range to ready the stick on your back by elevate your gardening. Then space this gas provide various unique rest bed gardening idea that will add personal, functional and a touch of create to your gardening space. Raise hub gardening bed and hub space gardening bed is not only eye sketch but functional as well. The shape allow you to growing a various of hub with different sunlight and water need in one space. Arrange brow and rest in the sticky shape. Start low and budget upward as you remove to the center. Intro. Fit the spring with salt and convenient. Plants hub like through and promoting us the top was its idea for base purpose at the base was its more dosing. Chen plug restrict bed. Inspiring and vibrant make theme for great other for restrict gardening bed. You can even plant hub or flower in the hold of the back for add charm. Material need salt and plants. Arranging the camblock in the rim or security shape. Vertical red bed with PVC pipe. If your trip or group space has bed, use PVC pipe allow of a unique gardening that growing upward instead of underward material need PVC type zip file salt plants and a wood or material frame. File pick with a salt and plants smart hub or flower. Attach the pipe various to the frame. Use zip tie. Drawing max space in smart area. Gardening for hub your flower. Limited salt space pro plants, so it's not ideal for long vegetable. Try wood rustic bed. Try rustic bed are perfect for gardening on a switch as then allow for multi-purpose level of plants space and affect water use. Material need wood plants serve as salt and plants build a rustic of smart gardening frame with even on salt smart then to the one below it stick for frame to create stoning. Pick even those with salt and plants. Mix various space and grade for dropping yard. Allow different plants at defined level for easy access. Recycle tiny gardening bed. Of an easier friend and fun trials. Consider repurpose all type as gardening bed. B can try then or use theme advantage. Material need thrifting no plant salt and plants. Plants the tree or pop of color filled with salt and plant your gardening. If you want express for root gardening. Growing is your friend and unique. Easy to move. Build your stick bed gardening. Choose quality salt. Stick bed need reach with during salt. Look for a multi that high in original material. Consider location. Place your gardening bed in a salt that vibrant sunlight for the plants your gardening. Water. Stick bed trying to grow out fat moment and water excess in warm month. Deep hold in the button if you can drain or add a layout rub growing at the bottom of the stick base bed. Finally touch. Build a unique stick bed gardening allow you to experiment with different material, size and shape to sub your need and personally whether your other for something modern, rustic or easier friend. Your rustic bed will provide fresh product or build blend and become a focal point for of your outdoor space. Thank you for watching this video.